Using CollarGrad SP, you can create a simple collar based on existing front and back pieces, grading included. Start the macro. Within the editor, set values for the overlap and the collar shape, like the length and height. Grade values for the new piece can be toggled on and off. Once set, confirm with OK. In the next step, you need to select the neckline elements of the front piece. If only a single element needs to be selected, click it with the left mouse button. For multiple elements, collect them with the right mouse button in a clockwise order and click the last one with the left. Then select a starting position. Once the collar is completed, you will receive 3 pieces: collar, collar stand, and a construction sheet. The pieces will be graded based on the length of the selected neckline elements.